Hello guys, it's me, Freaks, and today we are back on Satisfactory. So, uh, as I said the last time, today we are going to build the computer factory or the heavy modular frames factory. But yes, I already did that. I already did the heavy modular frames factory. Yes, the frame is very bad. But anyway, the last thing we need to do is to attach the screws to the machine, and now this is going to produce computers. 3 per minute. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so yeah, and we are going to build even the heavy modular frames factory if we can, obviously. But doing like this, we are alright for computer for the next I don't know, 1 year, because computer 3 per minute, we will never end them. We have even too much of them. Even if I say that nothing is ever too much. But anyway, we need to unlock, build the heavy modular frames factory. Yes, but you'll be asking where can we build it, because it requires many things, right? Well, yes, but not quite, because yes, it needs many things, but I'll let you see. So okay, so this, it requires 5 modular frames, and if you remember, we have built the factory. Steel pipes, we have steel pipes. I think we may need to put some more, but we have them. In case industrial beams, we have plenty. We do 6 per minute if I remember correctly, and 100 screws. We have the alternate recipe for that, so we are fine. Every 5 modular frames, a heavy modular frame. So this is the hardest thing. The hardest thing will be the modular frames. But we built them around 11 per minute. Yes. So now I'll go check how we are with steel pipes and the rest. Maybe craft a few heavy modular frames by the crafting table, the workbench, because we need to build this machine. Manufacturer. Plastic, we have plenty of plastic. So here we use these tubes. These produce 20, and we have it in abundance. Okay. Then we have yes, we produce 6 in case the industrial beams per minute. Yes, I remembered correctly. Modular frames I remember because it was 10. I think it was the biggest factory at the time we built it. So yeah. Then screws are easy. I overclocked one of our iron mine to output 140 something. So we still have some room to use for screws. So yeah, I'll gather some materials and then we can build that. Okay, so after some time I used the computer factory. So we did yes, the 3 computer per minute. You saw that a couple of minutes ago for you. That's 3 days ago for me. Yes, I've been a bit inactive. So I built the remaining modular frames, and yes, we are ready to unlock the sorry yes, the gun. I think you saw it, and the cup for some coffee. And yes, we are ready to unlock the wait a minute, I don't remember the name. The fuel plant. Yes, the fuel plant. We just need some rubber. And you may ask what you're doing with the fuel now. Well, with the fuel now, I'm just packaging it. I'm putting it in the canister. So when we unlock the jetpack, we are ready to use it, to use them. Yes, see? It's not 100% efficient for now because not all the refineries are working. That's because, oh my god, that's more than I expected. Yes, I left it to run for a couple of minutes, but jeez, that's too much even for me. But anyway, that's not what it matters. I was saying, yes. Sorry for the frame, right? It's a dying like I don't know what. But Friday they will come to mount my PC. So yes, finally I'll be able to enjoy around 100 or plus frame per second. I hope 200. That would be pretty good. But my TV, my monitor, I think it's able of 60 Hz. So yeah, max 60 FPS. But I think it's better than this 10. Wait, I can... Give me a minute, I'll check how many FPS I do. So yes, I don't know if you can see it, but there are 8 FPS. 8, an average of 12 when I hit record. So yeah, it's fantastic. You can enjoy all these 9 FPS. These are just for you. Jokes apart, yes, I hope that until this end of the week I'll be able to enjoy shut up enjoy more FPS. What I can tell you right now is that I have more years than FPS. So yeah, I'm older than 9, absolutely older than 12. I think that maybe a couple of person other than my friends and family on this channel know how old am I. But yes. So now we unlock the fuel plant with the relative things, and the things are, wait, I can't manage this. Let me get a bit further away. The sky is beautiful. When I'll have the PC, you will see a 1080p 60 fps ultra defined sky. The sun will be practically our sun. Anyway, we have conveyor lift Mark IV, conveyor belt Mark IV, absolutely useful. Then we have wait. The fuel generator, absolutely useful. We will build a couple of them for now. Then I think that's all. Yeah. Yes, for now that's it. I have to see how many fuel generator I can put for now. If I'm not wrong, I have to control my calculus, and I think that yes, 3000 megawatt, around 3000 megawatt. But yes, we will need some heavy modular frames. So I don't know. I should set up a factory first, or yeah, I should set up a factory first. Yeah, I think I will. But we need we need modular frames, so we need to bring them from here to here, and I don't know what to use to fuel the tractor. Oh no, I know. We can convert the Mark III belt of the coal node that brings all the coal in here to a Mark IV, so 480 coal per minute, and we can bring it to our tractor. That will be awesome, really awesome. So yeah, I will run a belt from up there, the second floor, to here and here. So this will unload the modular frames, bring a belt up there, modular frames, and if we want to, we can unlock even Caterium. We can put Caterium nodes to Caterium. You understand, the Caterium factory that you saw a couple of episodes ago. If you saw the series, speaking of which, you can continue seeing my beautiful, absolutely beautiful series of Satisfactory if you haven't seen it before. There are like other 8 episodes. I lost the count. Yes, I would be very, very happy if you want to watch it. And I think there is not enough plastic going into the computer machine. I think it wasn't enough. No, yes, it was. So what the problem was? No one knows, because I have got so little frames that I don't know even what I'm doing. Literally. I press W and hope I don't fall. Between a frame and another, I take a coffee break. In game and in real life. there are so few frames per second that I can the time is slowed. I will see if I can come up with other FPS jokes, because why not? Okay, I hope that when we will see again, I will have finished at least a couple of fuel generators and set up the line of modular frames. See you. Okay, guys, I'm back after some time. So, I wanted to build the heavy modular frame factory and the fuel generators, but I just made the calculus and went to see how many resources I need. So 1000 rubber, easy, quick wire 1000, easy, computer 100, still easy, motors, we have an industrial quantity, literally. But yes, heavy modular frames 200. They are still a lot, and we still need the pipeline Mark II and the train. So maybe fuel generators the next or the one after that episode. But we went pretty good with the heavy modular frame factory. I'm almost finished. Yes, we have already the screws. I just need to melt 50 ingots per minute using the cast screws. Then 30 pipes per minute. I have to figure out where to extract another 10 from the factory, but that will be the easiest, I think. And case industrial beams, that's a bit harder, because we will need another 52 steel ingot to produce 13 more steel beams, with the 3 that we already got in more, so that adds to a total of 16, and we can make 10. Maybe we can do something more. And modular frames, we just need to set the route. I already did the road, but yes, I literally need 5 minutes to go back and forth to do that. Because I have got still some time left, this will maybe a shorter video. We are going to set up the first route ever. So we already unlocked the fuel, and we still haven't used a tractor. That's what I like about this game. You can do the first thing that you should do in the game by late game, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so let me see if I remember well. There are no paths. Thank you. I know, Sherlock. Start recording. So I should exit and then. Okay. If I'm not wrong, yes, it's recording. So we just need to go there, load the modular frames, then come back and finish the route. We shouldn't need too much time. I don't know why in this save the foundation are a bit strange. They make the tractor do some strange moves. I don't know why. I have to control it more, but it's fine, it's fine. Then I'll have to pass here to put all the lines, the road lines, by the center, as you can see. Then the curves are a bit tricky, and I failed. Amazing, amazing. That's what I like about this game. Curves. I know how to do curves, but as you may have seen from the channel, I lack of. I'm very lazy. That's. I am pretty lazy, generally, during the all day life. But yeah. So yeah, let's go. Hello. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I think that if I pause, I don't know. Maybe it interrupts the course. Maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. Maybe in the next episodes with ruler, but because I'm not sure if I'm going to do that in the next. But we may are going to make the artificial intelligence limiter, the EA limiter. Yes, the ChatGPT one. No, just kidding. But I use a similar thing to ChatGPT. Pretty cool. Maybe there is a feature in the EA industry. Invest in Bitcoin. Anyway, my frame rate is 6 feet underground, or 2 meters. It's better saying 2 meters, but if you are an Americaner, yeah, you use the feeds. I mean, if you like them, I don't, but okay. Okay, unloading, easiest part. Then we just need to go around here and let's see if, yeah, hooray. Okay, do we need to, yes, save path. Okay, let's name the path. Let's call it modular frames path. Very, 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 very original. Okay, I will say let's load the path and okay. Oh, cool. Let's see if I can keep it up. Oh, nice. And then this happens. Yeah, don't go on the front of the tractor because it runs you over. Yes, but it's good. It's all good. It's all good. Really, for me, it's past like 30 minutes from when I said to save the path to when I edited it, because they called me to it. So yes. and I forgot what I needed to do. Ah yes, the outro. So if you liked this video, you can leave a like. If you really liked this video, you can subscribe. And if you liked it so much that you would like it other people to see it, you can share it. Yes, share with friends like a good Corona, not the virus, the alcoholic, the beer. Ah yes, I unlocked the jetpack. So I'll give you a tease on what we are going to do the next episode. The next episode we are going to finally finish the heavy modular frames factory. Then we are going to start at least the fuel generator plant. That will be very nice to do. And maybe we will see. Maybe we can set up train the train route. That would be even nicer with all the new power, the 3000 sweet megawatt. So yeah, that's what you can do, and I will really appreciate it. For you it's only a couple of presses. For me it's a big thing. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to add, so see you next time. Bye.